AngieFitnessTV.
All right, this is how to do a side kick. I'm going to ask you to come to a wall just so we can get it. So your feet are distanced a little more than hip width apart. Your right hip is facing a little bit forward. Knee is coming in. Chamber, kick, chamber, down. Knee in, flex your foot, heel, like your heel is hitting somebody's knee, somebody's groin, or somebody's chest. Knee, kick, it's like your toes are trying to point down. Knee and down. So hold on to the wall just while we're practicing. And your right hand can be here for support. So knee comes in, kick, in, down. So in, out, flex your foot. You want to think of your heel really guiding and pressing in to that person. You're trying to get them. So some people call it chamber, kick, chamber down. But knee in, heel. You're pressing with the heel, with the glutes. Come in and down.